Bike service and clutch plates replace. Bike chain. Clean the bike chain. It is often seen that the bike chain starts to make noise. If this is the case, then show it to a bike mechanic and get it tightened. Sometimes this also happens due to the bike chain becoming loose. Apart from this, you should check the bike chain during the check service. For this, you will have to remove the chain cover and clean the chain by pouring petrol on it. After cleaning all the dirt, put lubricant in the chain. Apart from this, put some grease in the cheap sprocket of the bike. This will allow your bike's wheel to turn in a better manner. If the torque transmitted by the clutch to the wheels is insufficient, then the clutch plates are worn out, you need to replace them. When you say you are not getting pickup, it means either the clutch setting is not right or the plates are worn out. You should replace them as soon as possible, otherwise the bike will consume more fuel. Air filter. Change the air filter. Whenever you take your bike for servicing, the mechanic changes the air filter of the bike. After some time, dirt gets accumulated in it, which also has a direct impact on the performance of the bike. You will find it under the seat of the bike. To clean it, open the cover of the filter and take it out. After that, wash the filter box thoroughly with petrol so that no dirt of any kind remains inside it. After this, install the new filter. Included in bike service. There are multiple jobs in a bike service that includes washing, polishing, greasing and lubrication, chain tension check, spark plug cleaning, air filter cleaning, engine oil check, carburetor cleaning, oil leakage check, wheel alignment, electrical checkups, cable and lever adjustment, clutch greasing as well as battery check. New engine oil. Engine oil change time depends on vehicle type, oil type, and daily distance. For bikes generally, engine oil should be changed every 6,000 kilometers. However, in city bikes, due to traffic jams, the bikes put more pressure on the clutch, so engine oil should be changed every 1,500 to 2,000 kilometers.